everyone, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. I am so thankful and so excited that you decide to stop by and quilt with me. We are working on our mystery quilt, and guess what? Yes, today we celebrate because we are halfway through making the blocks. We are on block number 6. So 6 more blocks and you're gonna have the most beautiful quilt. Tomorrow we're gonna take a day off, so don't tune in. It's Sunday. I want you to have a little break. We're gonna start again on Monday with recipes on our blog. So remember, go visit our blog. You go to our website at laundrybasketquilts.com. You click on a blog and then you look at the recipe for the blocks that we're making the day. And once you have your fabrics cut, come to me at this video and watch the video how I put my blocks together. So yesterday we made half square triangles. We have been making them for 2 days now. We started with a big one, 4 7/8, nice large half square triangle. We moved down to the smaller one, 2 7/8, and we did them the traditional way. Guess what? For the blocks today, we're gonna need a little bit more half square triangles. Look at the block that we're gonna be making. So what I decided to do is I'm gonna use a triangle paper. You can use any triangle paper you want. I prefer the ones that we designed, and this one is 2-inch finish half square triangles. And what I'm going to do is I'm gonna just grab a sheet just like this from the triangle paper, and I'm gonna use it with my fabrics. And I chose a beautiful fabrics for you. Hold down. I'm gonna bring this fabric closer. We're gonna have 2 sets of fabric, 2 blue and 2 lights. 2 blue and 2 lights, and we're gonna be making a lovely half square triangles. I now paired up 2 pieces, 1 blue, 1 light. I cut them at 10 inches because I want to go ahead and put my paper right over just like this. Just like this, I'm gonna put pins, and then I'm gonna go ahead and I'm putting pins where the straight lines are because I'm gonna be stitching on the dotted line, and there's an arrow right here says sew. I'm gonna be stitching right on that line. If you're using triangle paper, you need to lower the stitch. You instead of 2 on the length on your stitches, the length has to be closer together so that way the needle breaks the paper for you. So I usually go to 1.5, 1.2, and I'm gonna stitch really nicely. As soon as I finish stitching all the dotted lines, I'm gonna go ahead and cut it on a straight lines. And I already start cutting my half square triangles. Look at this. So you just go ahead and grab a rotary, grab a ruler, and you're gonna go ahead and cut it just like this, just like this. You cut it on the straight line. Do you see it? And as soon as you finish cutting, you're gonna go ahead and open it up, and you have a beautiful perfect half square triangle. Now it's time to press it. As soon as you finish pressing, you're gonna go ahead and peel that paper away. You do not keep the paper. You peel the paper away, and you're gonna go ahead and with a little pair of scissors trim the cute little bunny ears just like this, and you're gonna make a lot of nice half square triangles. I have all mine ready, set, go, and I want to make my block, so I'm gonna lay it out. I am so excited for this block number 6 because we're halfway through. I am so looking forward to seeing how the blocks work together to a beautiful quilt. So look at this, but mystery is not over yet. We're only halfway through. So now look at this is the layout of our pieces. I'm gonna go ahead and place them right sides together and sew them to 2 rows, the row 1 and row 2, just like this. Stitch it using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Open it up, take this one, fold it right sides together, and I love how those seams are locking right there. Sew it, flip it open. I have this already done. Look at this first one. Let me press it, and I press it towards this one, and I'm gonna press this one in the opposite direction just like that. I'm gonna place them right sides together, lock the center seam, take my beautiful pin it right there, stitch it. As soon as I finish stitching, I am go ahead. I can now look at I stitched it, open it up. You know the routine. You're gonna open the center so that middle is nice and flat, easy for machine quilting later on. And now I have a beautiful, beautiful block. As soon as you finish one, you keep going, because we need, let me tell you how many of them. We're gonna need 8 and 8 of the B color option. So we have 2 color option, 8 of those, and you done. Take a day off tomorrow and enjoy some wonderful walk and the weather, and then come back to me on Monday for more Mystery Quilt. If you posting pictures, make sure hashtag Laundry Basket Quilts Mystery 2021, and make sure you tag us so we get to see your beautiful pictures and experience this mystery with you. Happy quilting, and I see you on Monday.